What's going on, guys? It's your boy Chevy here, back with a new video. And in today's video we have a little tech slash everyday carry. And you know, since I've been going out a lot, these are some things I carry with me every single day. Since my previous EDC video, a little bit has changed, not too much, but I have some really cool stuff in here that would really like improve how you go throughout the day. So I thought I would show you guys. Without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so as usual, you know, I'm super blind. So the first thing we have up on the list is my RayBan glasses. I know I've been talking about these RayBan glasses forever, but you know, I tried to go into the mall and change my glasses, but they're talking about COVID this, COVID that. So they put me in a queue, so I have to wait until I could change them out. But these are the ones that I'm using. For everyone that's new, these are RayBan Club Masters, and I have them in the gold and black colorway. And of course, I never tell anyone this before, but this has like a really cool party feature. So boom, you could just bend this up like this, that, bow, bow. You know what I'm saying? You thought we were done? No. You could also close this in one more time. There you go. You could just tuck this away. Oh, I'm matching the gold with the OVO. But anyways, you could just tuck this away into your pockets. You know, super minimal. Love to see it. But yeah, RayBan Club Masters. Never leave the house without these bad boys. Next up on the list, guys, we made some key upgrades, you know what I'm saying? So this is my new key setup right here. And first and foremost, we have to talk about the key organizer. First, like, remember my last video, all my keys, I usually put them on my waist with this Spigen carabiner right here. So you just, boom, you plop this onto your waist. But the issue I had was, if I had multiple keys and I was walking around, I sounded like a janitor, bro. It wasn't sounding good. You could hear the keys dangling. It was not the wave, all right? So we got this ORBITKEY organizer, and this has changed the game tremendously. So what this does is that basically you could hold up to 7 keys in here, and even like I have some really cool attachments for it as well you could find on the website. But boom, look at this, guys. You want to open the doors, you just swing this around. You don't have to bring out everything. You could just bring out one key. So just like this, boom, there we go. You know what I'm saying? Now we could go ahead, open our doors. Or, you know, if you want to just quickly unbox something, you know, YouTuber life, you always get stuff to unbox. We have this nice ass multi-tool thing from ORBITKEY here. So it has like a nail filer. There we go. Small little nail filer. Adds up as a ruler as well. So you could use this as a ruler. And it's also a bottle puller. So if you like to drink beer, whatever it is, you have this bottle puller on top of it. So this thing is crazy good. I love this little small little tool, and it also works as like a little unboxing knife. Next up inside of this thing, apart from all the keys that I have, which is just 2 keys, I also have this YubiKey security what do you call this thing? Like a Google authenticator or a security key. So basically I have this security key for all of my programs that I'm using. So for 2FA, it works well. So if you're using Google 2FA or any 2FA that you use, two-factor authentication, you just plug this into your device, you press a button on the side, and you're good to go. You don't have to remember any passwords or anything. So I love YubiKey and YubiKey for that. It's super cool. Definitely check this out. If you always forget your passwords, you would like to have this one for sure. All right, so next up on the keychain, you already see it. We have the Apple AirTag. And unfortunately, just after 3 months, the AirTags needs new batteries, bro. I thought Apple said it could last up to 1 year, but after 3 months, I need new batteries. But these are cool, man. I'm not gonna lie, it came in handy once. If you tend to lose your keys a lot, I have 1 AirTag on my key and also 1 on my knapsack or bag, book bag, whatever you guys call it, camera bag, and it's really good. So definitely recommend it. And just to keep everything organized, I have this Spigen carabiner that I just slip onto my waist, and I'm good to go. So for the keys, major upgrades. Definitely love it. Everything will be down below in the description. We have something from Ekster that I love dearly. Now this is the Ekster aluminum wallet case, right? So you might be saying, Shevon, what the hell is this? Boom, look at this. We could keep 1 card here. You know, this is my driver's license. So just keep that tucked in here. But look at this, guys. You press this button, bow, all your cards. I'm not sure how many cards this could hold, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 6 cards stacked in here right now. Any card you want, you just pull it out, put it back in, you're good to go. And also, if you want to carry cash, you have this little elastic band that you could just slap a couple of bucks inside. You're good to go. Super minimal. That's what we're going for. minimalism over here, guys. We don't want to bulk up our pockets too much. This is definitely one of my favorite things. Change the game. I usually have a big bulky wallet. Now this is just super simple. Love this other thing right here. Now next up, you probably wouldn't have thought this, but I've been rocking out with the Beats Studio Buds, or Studio Buds, wireless Studio Buds. The only thing that's missing is that it doesn't have that W1 chip or H1 chip that Apple uses. So, you know, like syncing between devices is weird. But the noise cancelling is really good. It's not as good as Apple's own, but it works. The bass is nice. The sound quality is amazing. It's super affordable. Definitely recommend this, especially for back to school season. Parents, if you're watching this, your kid would love this for sure. And it just looks nice. I love it. The white ones, definitely the way to go. Boom. Sony, stop focusing on my face, bro. After this, like you know those beauty girls, yeah, there we go. Beats Studio Buds, definitely recommend. Also charges with USB Type C. All right, now on to the mobile device of choice. Since launch, I've been rocking out with the iPhone 12 Pro, baby. The iPhone 12 Pro. So yeah, the iPhone 12 Pro has been amazing. I love this because for my job, I have to take pictures of stuff. It just takes amazing pictures. It works well with my MacBook, which I start to bring every day as well. And it's just the perfect thing to bring. Also attached to the 12 Pro is the iPhone 12 Pro silicone case. Do not recommend. This thing has so much scratches. Like I've been rocking with this every day. You guys can see all the scratches. It gave my phone a dent. I dropped this thing like, I don't know, probably about 4 times. My phone's dent up. All the edges are scratched off. I don't know, it's just not as durable as I thought, but I just love how it feels. So that's why I've been using it so much. It really feels nice on the hand, guys. You know what I'm saying? No pause. But yeah, it really feels nice on the hand. But if you want, you could rock out with the caseless iPhone. Do not recommend because you're bound to drop your iPhone for sure. But yeah, iPhone 12 Pro, Apple silicone case. And on top of that, my new favorite thing is the Spigen card holder with MagSafe. So as you can see, this phone case has MagSafe. Boom, you slap this on, changes the game. If you want to, you could carry a card in there. I don't really carry cards in here because it's just kind of weird. But you have to like take it off, then turn this around, or just, you know, it's just not my cup of tea. So in terms of carrying cards in here, you can carry like 2-3 cards, but I don't see the point of that, so I don't really carry cards. What I use this for is as a stand. It's so cool, right? So look at this. You could like actually use this as a phone stand. So there we go, boom. You see it, phone stand activated. Why am I on Reddit? Boom, there we go. Your phone's chilling. Love this, and it's so strong too. If you want to, you could also pull it up some more, like this. So it's more upright, there you go. And also, you could turn it sideways. So if you want to watch movies, you could turn it sideways like this. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Put this down. Now you're watching your favorite YouTube videos or whatever you like to watch. So yeah, definitely recommend this Spigen MagSafe case or whatever. Next up, the worst thing on the list is this Apple battery case. So this is the Apple MagSafe battery case right here, guys. I 100% do not recommend this thing if you want to have juice while using your phone. It only works well when you just slap it onto the phone and put your phone in your pocket. So that's what it looks like. It charges your phone, I think, up to 80%. It's not full capacity. It looks all right, you know, it's not the most comfortable thing. So it uses the MagSafe technology. It slaps right onto your iPhone. And yeah, it basically charges up your iPhone. Next up on the list, we got this small unboxing knife. Nothing too crazy. I always get packages, so you have to rock out with this unboxing knife. You know what I'm saying? It is very simple. You have this with a clip. You could clip it onto your waist. But yeah, it's super sharp. I like it. And you know, anybody want to try to run up, you know what I'm saying? All right, so last but not least, on the wrist, you already see it, guys. We got the G-Shock GA2100, and this has been my daily driver since, I don't know, probably about a week now, or a week and a half, and I love this thing. Like, look at this. It's so beautiful. You have the transparent band, you know what I'm saying? You have the lights, Turn this on, boom. You guys probably can't see it because it's too bright, but yeah, I love this watch. It's super stylish. I love the like the oak design it has. That's what everyone calls it, the Casio oak. I'm gonna do a mod to this watch soon. And also, this watch is like super hard to find. It's always like selling out. I'll try to leave links down for it in the description, but if you guys can't find it, that's why. Wait guys, before you go, honorable mention goes out to my M1 MacBook Pro. I'm not gonna lie, I literally carry this every single day with me because, as you guys know, I started a new job, so this is my daily driver in terms of editing videos, pictures, all that stuff. So you know what I'm saying, this has to be in the everyday carry, but just because it's like, this is the minimal stuff that I keep inside my pocket, but on my back I have this every single day. I really love this thing. If you guys want to see my day in the life video with this laptop, I'll make sure to leave that in the description or the cards somewhere up here. But yeah, that's it for today's video, my minimal everyday carry. Let me know what you guys think, and also comment down below what you guys bring on a daily basis. As always guys, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.